In this video, I'll be showing you how you change your language settings on the Facebook app. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So when you hop on your Facebook like this, you tap on your profile, you see the arrow there, just tap on that, and now let's scroll to the bottom here, and then here we tap on the setting here. Let's open our settings. So on this page, you just scroll to the bottom and you see language and region. If you don't find that there, you can use the search button there. You see that on top there, but then we can see this here, so let's just tap on that. Should in case you find this video and you don't see yours there, you just use the search button. So you see the first option, language you'd like to see post translated into. So I speak English, so I select that to English. Should in case I see a post on Facebook and I really want to understand what the person is saying and it's written in Arabic, automatically Facebook is going to translate it into English for me, and these are common stuff. And we save that and we come back here, and I think this is the best language settings you can make on your Facebook account. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.